Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetshoot.com, and today we have the newly launched Canon camera which is called IXUS 140. This camera is Wi-Fi capable. It is again the latest enhanced camera model from Canon, and it is going to be available in market very soon. Let me just go through this camera in terms of the hardware features, in terms of the software interface which you will have on this device. Talking about this camera, as far as the camera lens is concerned, this is how the camera lens looks like. It does have 8x of optical zoom, which image stabilization, and then when it comes to focal length, you have focal length starting from 5 to 40, as you can see over here. And when it comes to aperture, you have it from 3.2 to 6.9, which is again pretty good. You have a focus assist lamp over here, you have the flash over here, you have the Wi-Fi connectivity on this device, with which you can actually transfer the photos from the camera to a smartphone, including an iOS smartphone, an iPhone or an Android phone, or to a Windows or Mac PC as well. You will need to install a separate app on the Windows PC or on a iOS or Android phone to do that, and we will tell you later about that. Here you have the on and off button, you have the camera shutter key over here, you have a little lever over here to zoom in and zoom out. Here you have the record button, a simple record button with which you can actually start the recording and stop the recording just by the single press of this button. You have the mode which you can transfer from the photo mode to the auto mode from here with this toggle, and you have the function keys over here with which you can actually go to the macro mode. You can control the flash from here. You have the display settings, the function settings, and the Wi-Fi feature can also be turned on and turned off from here. You have the play button over here with which you can actually preview the photos, and this is how you can access the menu. And here you have a little mic, as you can see. If we talk about the lanyard, you have the lanyard port over here. It does have a digital AV video out with which you can actually connect the camera to your TV, and the cable come within the package of this camera. And let me just show you the interface of the camera. It is quite light and quite simple in terms of the overall form factor. It is nicely designed to fit in only one of your hand. It will easily go into your jeans pocket because of the form factor. You have very good rounded edges over here, as well as the look of this camera is pretty good. So especially if you are looking for a point and shoot camera which looks good, as well as which is quite good in terms of the form factor, you can go for this one. Here you have the battery compartment, as you can see. You have the section for the tripod mount, and let me just show you the battery. So here we have the battery, and let me just check the power rating of the battery. So you have a 680 milliampere hour battery on this device, which should be sufficient. And here you have the slot for the memory SD card. Now this is how the interface looks like for the camera, and let me just show you the features of the camera interface. Here you have all the settings for the digital zoom, for the auto focus point and zoom, assist beam, the focus assist lamp, and here you have the settings. Over here you have the mute section. You have all the settings of the camera over here, as you can see, as well as the date and time stamp which you would like to see on your photos. And that's all from us regarding the quick hands-on review of the Canon IXUS 140. When it comes to the features, it features a 16 megapixel sensor with which you can take photos up to 16 megapixel. You have 8x of optical zoom, 7.6 centimeter of LCD diagonal, and you have smart auto modes. About 32 scene modes you have. You have the Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can record video at high definition at 720p.